if I told you that automation is no longer enough? The new version of Deep Agent doesn't just automate, it thinks, learns, and improves itself. It's like having a team of experts working for you 24/7. Ready to discover the tool that's revolutionizing productivity? The rules have changed. This new Deep Agent update is on a whole different level. It takes everything you know about automation and makes it obsolete. It builds full systems, thinks ahead, and improves with every execution. Abacus AI just changed the rules again, and they're dominating. If you've used tools like N8N or Zapier, you know the idea. Connect blocks, automate tasks, save some time. But Deep Agent doesn't play in that league. It's a whole new game. Integrated into Abacus AI's LLM system, it opens a clean, smooth canvas filled with powerful nodes. Web scrapers, email senders, CRM updaters, even raw Python code. You just describe what you want in natural language, drag a few smart blocks, and let it take over. Behind the scenes, it spins up cloud environments, picks the best language model, connects every step, and gets smarter with every run. This isn't automation. It feels like leading a team that never sleeps. What would you do if you had an assistant that improves every time it works? If you love AI and productivity, hit subscribe. This channel is made for you. Flows that feel like magic. The interface is clean and lightning fast. You start with a blank canvas, drag the blocks you need, and each one does its job. Scrape data, summarize text, send emails, or connect to external tools. If a task gets complicated, no problem. It creates sub-agents automatically. No blank screens, no confusion. When you click Create AI Workflow, it doesn't just leave you hanging. It guides you with clear, simple questions. What do you want to automate? What data comes in and out? What limits do you have? What's the end goal? You get pre-built examples ready to go, no real data or coding required. The first demo, called Vibe Code, shows its power. 3 nodes, web scrape, generate summary, send to Slack, all from one line of instruction. Run the flow and Deep Agent handles everything, connections, prompts, and delivery. Then comes the magic. It measures the results and auto-adjusts the prompt. The second message is shorter, clearer, because it learned that execs hate long paragraphs. How helpful would a tool be if it could learn from its own mistakes without your help? Real use cases that matter. Demo 2 is for job seekers. At 6 a.m., an agent scans Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn. It rewrites every job post into a short paragraph and emails them before your coffee even brews. It includes title, company, location, and link. You only need to decide where to apply. No more wasting time on repetitive listings. That's human bandwidth multiplied. Real use cases that matter. Demo 2 is for job seekers. At 6 a.m., an agent scans Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn. It rewrites every job post into a short paragraph and emails them before your coffee even brews. It includes title, company, location, and link. You only need to decide where to apply. No more wasting time on repetitive listings. That's human bandwidth multiplied. Demo 3 is for support teams. An email triggers the flow. Deep Agent reads it, finds related articles, drafts a personalized response, and filters tone for toxicity. If the tone is off, it flags it for human review. Response time drops from hours to seconds and your brand voice stays protected. If this is blowing your mind, hit that like button and subscribe. We're just getting started. Data-driven growth Demo 4 focuses on business growth. It scrapes LinkedIn, Crunchbase, and niche forums, finds high-growth companies, locates decision-maker emails, and pushes them to HubSpot with a live score recalculated nightly. Your sales team wakes up to a prioritized list based on buying intent. Then Deep Agent crafts cold emails mentioning the latest blog post, new product, tests subject lines, and adjusts in real time based on open rates. Demo 6 is for procurement teams. A 100-page RFP is uploaded. Deep Agent analyzes it, maps requirements, fills compliance tables, and writes responses with exact references. Legal review no longer takes days. You get faster, accurate replies without mistakes. How would your business change if you could scale without hiring anyone else? Subscribe now if you haven't already. We bring the future before it becomes mainstream. Autonomous orchestration. A clear pattern appears. Deep Agent doesn't just run, it adapts, it orchestrates. Each node is generative. Tomorrow you can plug in a new LLM without rebuilding. You can even view the workflow as annotated Python code, copy it or audit it in plain text. Full transparency. Early users call it insane, not because it saves time, but because it multiplies creativity and output. It's like discovering a secret trick for work life, a shortcut to peak productivity. How many repetitive tasks could you automate today with a tool like this? Insane price plus 2005 mark contest. Now, Deep Agent includes tasks. Schedule daily, weekly, monthly tasks, get alerts, set end dates. The backend launches parallel processes called MCP that keep it all agile even with heavy usage. The price? Only $10 a month. For a tool that writes its own prompts, spawns sub-agents instantly, and connects to every work app you have. Oh, and there's a weekly 2000 contest for the best workflow built by a user. Unlimited entries allowed. This isn't automation anymore. It's autonomous orchestration. Routines that generate more routines, each smarter than the last. And you? You stay focused on the strategy. If repetitive tasks are drowning you, Deep Agent is already holding the shovel. Would you trust an AI to handle 80% of your work? This isn't science fiction. It's already happening. Deep Agent is reshaping productivity and automation. Now it's your turn. Do you think AI like this will replace half the tools we use today? Tell me in the comments. Drop a like if this was helpful, and subscribe if you want to keep exploring the future of AI every single week.